UPI has transformed India's financial landscape, enabling instant, interoperable payments directly between bank accounts. It's not just an app, it's an entire payment rail built for massive scale. Unified Payments Interface, or UPI, is an instant real-time payment system developed by the National Payments Corporation of India. It allows 24/7 money transfers directly between bank accounts using a virtual payment address, supporting both person-to-person and merchant payments. Before UPI, Indian digital payments relied on systems like NEFT and RTGS, which had limited hours and required cumbersome bank account details. UPI offers instant, real-time settlement directly between accounts, vastly simplifying the user experience and driving adoption. A UPI transaction involves your payment app, a payment service provider for your bank, NPCI as the central switch, and the senders and receivers banks. This distributed yet centralized architecture ensures high availability and resilience. When you send money, your app initiates a request to NPCI. NPCI contacts your bank to debit funds, then the recipient's bank to credit them. Finally, confirmations are routed back to both apps, completing the instant, atomic transaction. UPI's remarkable interoperability stems from its standardized API framework. NPCI dictates common APIs, often using robust ISO 20022 message formats that all participating banks and apps must adhere to. This rigorous standardization ensures that any UPI-enabled application can interact seamlessly with any bank. The sheer volume is staggering. Over 12 billion transactions processed monthly, valued at nearly $200 billion. This makes UPI a cornerstone of India's digital economy, facilitating transactions for hundreds of millions. Security is built in with features like the mandatory MPIN for every transaction and sophisticated real-time fraud detection. UPI also constantly innovates, from supporting both push and pull payments to exploring offline capabilities and integrating credit options. UPI is a testament to how well-designed public digital infrastructure can drive financial inclusion and economic growth. If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more deep dives into complex systems.